Next question, question number 2. So whatever the questions, first of all you should understand, make to understand the meaning of the question. Okay, otherwise you cannot draw the figure. So second question, construct a tangent. So we have to draw the tangents. That is understood in the first sentence itself. Construct a tangent to a circle of radius 4 centimeter. So if we have a circle which have 4 centimeter, we should draw the tangents from that circle. That is the meaning. Okay. So from a point on the concentric circle of radius 6 centimeter. Concentric circle means we should take the same center. If we are drawing first one 4 centimeter radius circle, we should take the same center, and then we have to draw the another circle which have 6 centimeter length of radius. Okay, so from a point on the concentric circle of radius 6 centimeter and measure its length. That means we have to draw the tangents to the first circle. From the another circle we have to draw. So from the second circle to this first circle we have to draw two tangents. That is the meaning of the question. So we should make two circles, then from the second circle to the first circle we should draw two tangents. That is the meaning. Okay, then we have to measure its length also verify the measurement by actual calculation. Give the justification of the construction. Justification means after that you should write the proof of the construction. Okay, so I am writing here. Draw, first of all we have to write the steps I will share through the notes. So you should write the steps first. So I am directly draw the figure first. Draw a circle of 4 centimeter. So first step I am starting with here. We have to take 4 centimeter by using compass. After that we should draw one circle. Make this is center. So this center I am marking here and marking it as O. Okay, so making O as center and radius is equal to 4 centimeter. I am drawing one circle here. This is one circle which have the radius is equal to what? Which have the radius is equal to 4 centimeter. Next we have to draw another concentric circle. Concentric circle means here we have to take the same center. Which is the center here? O is the center. So for the concentric circle also we should take this as center and we should make it is 6 centimeter, which is given in the question. So 6 centimeter radius I am taking here by using scale and compass. So making this as center, I am drawing the second circle here. So this is the concentric circle which have the radius is equal to what? 6 centimeter and center is the common center. Okay, so I drawn here. Draw a circle of 6 centimeter radius taking O as its center. Locate a point P on this circle. So I am marking one point P. Anywhere I can mark. I am joining. I am marking P just like this. Okay, here the radius which is not mentioned, but we have to bisect here and draw the circle. But here the radius is given, so we can locate another point. Next I am joining the point O and P. So if we are joining the point O and P, we are drawing the bisector next. Okay, next I am taking bisect OP. So how can we take bisect more than that of the half of OP? I am drawing one arc here and one arc here also, and taking next to point P, one arc here and one arc here also. Next joining these two arcs meeting point. These two are the points, correct? So I am joining these 2 points. We will get the meeting point is this one. This is the bisector of line OP, marking it as M. Okay, so I am marking it as M, taking M as its center. Next we should take M as its center and MO as its radius. So from here to here, this is the radius. Okay, next we have to take M as center and MO as radius. Draw a circle. Next I am taking M as center and MO. This is the radius. Okay, so I am drawing one circle here. That circle comes just like this. Okay, third circle we got it. So draw a circle, let it intersect the given circle at the point Q and R. So this is the required first circle, correct? So these two are the intersection point of the last third circle. So I am marking it as Q and R. These 2 points marked it as Q and R. Next we have to join PQ. P is the point on the second circle, correct? So I am joining PQ and next PR. So we got the required figure. This is the second circle. From the point on the second circle, we draw two tangents to the first circle. Okay. So this circle we drawn only for making bisector. Third one. Okay. So we have to draw the tangents from the second circle to the first circle. So this is the required figure. So how can we write the proof? If I am taking triangle PQO. So if we want to take triangle PQO, first of all we should join this. So this is the required figure part over. Next I am going to prove that. Okay. So PQ and next I am taking the line O, triangle PQO. So if we want to take the triangle PQO, we should join OQ and next OR. So I am joining these two lines OQ and OR. This is for proof only. Okay. So we can write in triangle PQO. This triangle PQO, in triangle PQO, PQ is the tangent, correct? This is the tangent. So we can write this angle here. It is making how much? PQO, angle PQO is equal to 90 degree because this is tangent, so it is making here 90 degree. So PO, this is the radius of second circle, that is 6 centimeter, which is given in the question. So we can write PO is equal to 6 centimeter and this OQ is the radius of the first circle, correct? What is the radius of the first circle, which is also given in the question, that is QO, this length, which is equal to 4 centimeter. So I am going to apply the Pythagoras theorem. This is 90 degree, this is taking base and this is taking altitude. This is the hypotenuse. So I am going to apply the Pythagoras theorem. So we will get OP square is equal to OQ square plus PQ square. OQ square plus PQ square. What is OQ? OQ is equal to, we written here 4 square plus P PQ we don't know, so I am written it as PQ square. What is OP? OP, which is given in the question, that is we written here 6. So 6 square is equal to 4 square plus PQ square. So we can find out PQ square is equal to this 6 square minus this 4 square. What is 6 square? 36 minus 4 square is equal to 4 into 4, 16. So we will get 20. This is PQ square, but we have to calculate PQ, that is root 20. Root 20 we can write it as, how can we write? 4 into 5 is equal to 20. 4 into 5 is equal to 20. So instead of 20 I written 4 into 5. What is root 4? Root 4 is equal to 2 and root 5 we written it as root 5. So 2 root 5 is equal to PQ, 2 root 5 centimeter. Okay. So PQ we got it to root 5. We have to calculate here PQ by using scale. We can find here 4.47. This is the point, correct? So 4.47 we will get actual by this calculation we will get PQ is equal to 4.47 centimeter. Next you should conclude the justification. How can we conclude it? Just like this, the construction can be justified by proving that PQ and PR are the tangents to the circle whose center is O and radius is 4 centimeter. For this let us join OQ and OR. This is the steps I am reading. Okay. Angle PQO is an angle in the semicircle. So we know that this is 90 degree, making 90 degree. So that means OQ is perpendicular to PQ. Okay. So we can say that it is the tangents. These two are the tangents. So we can conclude the justification just like this. Okay.